Hello students, in this video I am going to solve a problem of depreciation. So on ABC company purchased a truck on 1st April 2016 for rupees 1,50,000. On 1st October 2017 company purchased another truck of rupees 80,000. On 1st July 2018 company sold a second truck for rupees 40,000. Prepare truck account, provision for depreciation account and truck disposal account. So here we have to prepare four accounts: truck account, depreciation account, truck disposal account and provision for depreciation account. So in this video I am going to prepare truck account and depreciation. So company purchased the truck on 1st April 2016. So when we purchase a truck, we will write to bank account 1,50,000. Nothing happened in first year. We have charged depreciation at the end of first year, but if we are preparing provision for depreciation account, then we charge depreciation in provision for depreciation account, not in truck account. So at the end of first year 2017, March 31, by balance carried down 1,50,000. This balance goes on 1st April of next year 2017, April 1st, to balance brought down 1,50,000. In second year, we have purchased another machine of rupees 80,000 on 1st October. So on 2018, October 1st, we have purchased another machine. So to bank account 80,000. And on 2018, March 31, we transfer the balance by balance carried down 2,30,000. 2,30,000. This balance comes on 2018, 1st April 1st, to balance brought 2,30,000. In third year, on 1st July 2018, we sold the second machine. So when we are preparing assets disposal account, we transfer machine from machine account to assets disposal account. So here we are preparing truck account, so we will transfer the truck to assets disposal account on the date of the sale. So on 1st July 2018, July 1st, we transfer the truck to truck disposal account by truck disposal account. Second truck. The cost of second truck is rupees 80,000 and balance we will forward to next year 2019 March 31 by balance carried down, it's rupees 1,50,000. 2,30,000. In question, we are asked to prepare accounts up to 31st March 2019. So the truck account is finished. Now I will prepare depreciation. So in depreciation account, first we will charge depreciation at the end of first year, that is 31st March 2017. So on 31st March 2017 March 31st, we charge depreciation, and the depreciation goes to provision for depreciation. So in depreciation we will write to provision for depreciation. To provision for depreciation. The cost of first machine is rupees 1,50,000. So we will charge depreciation on 1,50,000 at the rate of 10%. So now we will prepare provision for depreciation. The rate of depreciation is 10% on original cost. The first machine we have purchased for rupees 1,50,000. So we will charge depreciation 10% on 1,50,000. For the whole year it will be rupees 15,000. The depreciation will be transferred to profit and loss account at the end of the year. So on 2017 March 31, we will transfer it to profit and loss account by profit and loss account 15,000. Now we will charge depreciation on 31st March 2018. So on 31st 2018 March 31, we will charge that on two machines. On first machine we will charge that for the whole year, and on second machine we will charge depreciation for 6 months, because we have purchased machine on 1st October, from October to 31st March. So to provision for depreciation, 15,000 on first machine, and cost of second machine is 80,000. For half year depreciation will be rupees 4,000. So total is 90,000. We will transfer it to P&L at the end of the year 2018 March 31 by profit and loss 90,000. Now the last year in which we have sold the machine. So if we have sold machine during the year, so we will charge depreciation also during the year. So on 1st July 2018 July 1st, we will charge that to provision for depreciation. So here we will charge depreciation for 3 months, April, May, June, on 80,000. So it will be rupees 2,000. And at the end of first year, on 31st March 2019 March 31, we will charge depreciation on second machine to provision for depreciation. It will be 15,000 for the whole year. Total is 17,000. And at the end of year, we will transfer the total depreciation to profit and loss account. 2019 March 31 by profit and loss account. Thank you students. In next video we are going to make provision for depreciation account of the same question. Thank you.